Hi and welcome to the Benchmark Quick Start tutorial. This is how to install and use Benchmark. There are two things we need to install. The first is the ZXP, so you can either use the AEscript ZXP installer or the vanilla ZXP installer. You just open it up and drag the ZXP into there. I've already installed it, so I won't do that. And then you need the plugin itself. So I'm currently on Mac, so drag that to your plugins. I've already got it there. And then we jump into After Effects, go Window, Extensions, Benchmark. And once that's loaded, we can click A Benchmark to start. Note that this will take approximately 30 seconds to 5 minutes, depending on your computer's speed. After Effects is going to run the three different tests, single-threaded, multi-threaded, and GPU, and it's going to give us a score for each of them, as well as an overall score once we're done. And it's a good idea to make sure that you don't have any resource-intensive applications open, because that's going to skew your results. So for best results, make sure you disable things like Chrome or Dropbox, as those will all slow you down and give you an inaccurate reading. Okay, the test is finished. The results here is lower is better. So I can see that my multi-threading and GPU scores are pretty rubbish, but my single threading is pretty good. And how does that compare to your rig? Well, if you give yours a name, you can submit to Benchmark, and then if we go to Benchmark, and that's going to take us to a benchmark, we can compare the scores here. I can see that in regards to single threading, mine is a bit slower than Matthew's rig. In regards to multi-threading, mine's way worse than Matt's rig, and my GPU is also way worse. And then you can compare the specs to see, oh, well, that's the reason. I've only got 4 threads, Matt's got 12. That's why his multi-threading was way better. His GPU was an actual GPU, whereas mine is just an inbuilt integrated chipset, and I see that this undefined result here needs to be removed. So I'd love to see all you guys' scores up here, and we can compare which one is the best for After Effects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using a benchmark.